Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to the Shri Krishna Astrology Advices channel. We pray to God that the grace of God be with you forever. Please note that the horoscope prediction has based on Hindu Vedic astrology. In this horoscope video you will know about that this month business, job, marital life, children, love, education, and health. You will know this month's remedies and dates where you need to be careful. Let's know about the planets transit into January 2021. Lord Sun, in the beginning of this month Lord Sun will transit in Sagittarius zodiac sign on 14th January. Lord Sun will enter in the Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Mars, in this month, Lord Mars will transit in Aries zodiac sign. Lord Mercury, in the beginning of this month Lord Mercury will transit in Sagittarius zodiac sign on 5 January. Lord Mercury will enter in Capricorn zodiac sign on 7 January. Lord Mercury will rise on 25 January. Lord Mercury will enter in Aquarius zodiac sign. Lord Mercury will retrograde on January 30. Lord Jupiter, in this month Lord Jupiter will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign on 18 January. Lord Jupiter will go to Astha Avastha. Lord Venus, in the beginning of this month Lord Venus will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign on 4 January. Lord Venus will enter in the Sagittarius zodiac sign on 28 January. Lord Venus will enter in the Capricorn zodiac sign. Lord Saturn, in this month, Lord Saturn will transit in Capricorn zodiac sign on 10 January. Lord Saturn will go to Astha Avastha. Lord Rahu, in this month, Lord Rahu will transit in Taurus zodiac sign. Lord Ketu, in this month, Lord Ketu will transit in Scorpio zodiac sign. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of upcoming videos. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Cancer horoscope of January 2021. For the business, you will see stability in business. You may also think about expanding your business. Relations will be established with new people, and you may also think about adhering to a partnership to aggrandize your trade. However, you should choose your partner carefully. Trust is the main component which should be available in a relationship, whether it is personal or professional. Needless to say, your profits will increase if there is a better rapport between the two of you. During this time, there is a high probability of success in financial matters. New sources of income will be created and you will make much more money as compared to the previous time. For the job, you are advised to take each and every step very carefully. A small mistake on your part will create dire repercussions, to the extent that you may have to leave your job if you want to improve your condition professionally. It is recommended to perform your tasks with extreme diligence. It is also necessary to adhere to modern working techniques so that you can remain up to date. Senior officials and boss may remain displeased with you, but the reason their dissatisfaction will not be revealed to you. Hence, it will be beneficial to save yourself from your secret enemies. People who speak well about you all the time may turn out to be your actual foes. Some natives of this sign may also undertake a professional trip during this month. It would be necessary for you to look after your health while traveling. Marital life and children. Some problems may grace your married life during this time. You may get involved in some clashes with your partner, which may disrupt the environment of your house. You are advised to keep a tab on your behavior during this time, as your hot-headed nature may be the reason for the distress of your family members. If your children are pursuing higher studies, then they may do well in their respective fields. Lovers, the bond of love is quite sacred and sensitive at the same time, thus, you are advised to calculate the repercussions before putting forth any proposal in front of your love mate. You may fight with your love partner during this time, and thus distance may seep into your relationship. The arrival of such situations can be stopped if and only if you keep a tab on your temper. Education. This month will be very nice for students. In this time, you will have incredible insights in the educational field. You will have your luck completely sponsored, and so you will do great things in your academic life. Health. As far as health is concerned, Cancer natives may suffer from problems related to eyes and chest during this month. Refrain from using a laptop, mobile and other electronic gadgets excessively, as they can put a strain on your eyes. Wear good quality glasses to provide relaxation to your eyes during this month's time. Take special care of your diet to keep yourself safe from obesity. Additionally, you have to make positive changes in your daily routine, sleeping, waking and eating etc. on time. Also, eat homemade items etc. Periodically get your full body checked up and then show the report to a good doctor or dietitian and take a nutritious diet based on that. Also, do not take mental stress by getting frustrated in challenging times, as it will have a negative impact on your health. Dates where you need to be careful: 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 26, 27, and 31. Remedies: chant the mantras of Lord Moon and Lord Vishnu, donate money or food items to needy people. For the knowledge of planets' mantras, and more information, please visit our website www.astrologyadvices.com. For the astrology consultation, horoscope counseling, horoscope matching, and making of the horoscope, you can call us or WhatsApp us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Please like our video. Please share our video with others. Wishing you a happy Pongal, Lohari, Makar Sankranti, Republic Day, and Happy New Year 2021 to you and your entire family. You can contact us for astrology counseling, guidance of children education, career guidance, business-related problems, health-related problems, marriage, love-related problems, Vastu, and horoscope matching. Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can call us, WhatsApp and email us. Our mobile numbers are 9870575403 and 8595429185. Email astrologyadvices@gmail.com. Our motto is your success. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.